Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruiser here. Metmachex swinging arm. Beautiful thing. This is for an FXR. One of the best bikes ever built. A bit of help never never hinders. So this particular thing will actually make your FXR handle even better. This particular one, we've supplied the spherical bearings all built in. Okay, we can press them in with a 10-ton press. So you've got the spherical bearings, which normally from CCE you're going to be paying around about £399 for that. So this is an option where we can do the arm with the bearings all pressed in for not a lot more money. Okay, 10-ton press needed to do them, by the way. If you're interested in any Metmachex products, give us a call. As you can see, beautifully made. This really is top of the range stuff. I've got one in my electric line, I had one in for years, and very easy to adjust. This just slides in there, no snail adjusters, comes complete with all the bolts. Use spindle. Beautiful welding, as you can see, unbelievable. The quality of the welding is legendary. It did go for rough patches, you know. Metmachex made some horrendous stuff and had some bad material, but it wasn't actually their fault. But now top of the range again and back at the top of the tree. So if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.